Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with RAMONI. Let's get started in a seated position. We're going to bend the knees, planting our feet on our yoga mat, and you can open your legs really wide here. Let's drop our legs over to the left side of the room. And now to the right. One more time, let's go to the left. And let's make our way to the right. Let's come back to center as we straighten our legs in front of us, shaking the legs out a little bit. Flex your feet as you slowly walk your hands towards your feet, coming into a forward fold. This is a gentle forward fold. So I want you to relax your upper body. And if you want to, you can grab onto the toes. And let's rise back up. We're going to do that again, this time reaching up, taking a deep breath in. Exhale, forward fold, reach for the toes. And now we come back up, bending our left knee, planting that left foot on our yoga mat, extending our right arm up, taking an inhale. Exhale, hook your right elbow on top of that left knee as you twist your torso, maybe looking behind you. You might feel your back crack here a little bit. That's completely normal. And let's do that same thing on the other side. Let's come out of this pose, making our way into a forward fold. And now we make our way onto our hands and knees, coming into a tabletop position. And you can open your knees really wide here. Look up towards the ceiling as you shine your chest forward and drop your belly low. And now you round your back, round your spine, tuck your chin into the chest. Again, drop your belly low. Looking up, coming into our cow pose. And cat pose, we round our spine. And now just take some gentle movement, some intuitive movement, just moving your body around, maybe taking some spine circles, doing what feels best for you. Close the legs a little bit, tucking the toes under, coming into our downward facing dog, sending the hips up and back, and then just pedaling your legs here. Take some tiny steps up to your hands, coming into a ragdoll pose, opening your legs, gentle bend in the knees, grabbing onto opposite elbows here, letting the upper body hang. Relax all of your muscles. Let your hands fall onto the mat as you bend the knees a little bit more. And now straighten the legs. Again, let's bend our knees and we straighten. Now let's turn the toes out, heels are in, making our way into Malasana, bending the knees all the way, sinking your hips down. Now you can either keep your hands down or you can bring the hands to heart center, allowing your elbows to press the knees out a little bit more. You're going to feel a good stretch here in the inner thighs and the hamstrings. And we just have a seat on our glutes here. Let's bend our right leg, straighten that left leg out to the side, flexing the left toes. We come into our forward fold. Let's switch sides. And now let's straighten both legs out to the side, coming into our straddle position, walking the hands forward. Let's now come into a cross-legged position. Walk your hands forward, coming into a forward fold, relaxing your head, your neck, and your shoulders. Slowly rise back up, lowering your right ear to your right shoulder, placing your right hand on top of the head and extending that left arm out to the side. And let's drop the head forward. And now left ear to left shoulder, placing that left hand on top of the head. Right arm extends out to the side. And let's make our way onto our backs. Hug your knees into your chest. Keep your right knee where it is as you drop your left foot down onto the yoga mat. You can stay just like this, or you can start to extend that left leg down onto the yoga mat, just straightening that leg. And now we come into a supine twist, guiding that right knee across the body, opening that right arm out to the side. Let's come back to center as we extend our right leg up towards the ceiling. You're going to keep that right foot flexed as you gently pull on that right leg, just so you can feel a little hamstring stretch. Bend your right knee again, hug both knees into the chest. Drop your right foot down to the yoga mat this time. And remember, you can extend that right leg if that feels good to you. Come into your supine twist with that left knee across the body. Come back to center, extending that left leg up towards the ceiling, grabbing behind the leg, flexing the foot. Let's straighten both legs up towards the ceiling, so bring that right leg up. And now you pull on both legs, keeping the feet flexed. Open up for your happy baby. Maybe rocking side to side, bending and straightening the legs, doing whatever feels most comfortable to you. Make your way into your butterfly position, placing your hands on your belly. Let's end class by closing our legs together. Place one hand on the heart, one hand on the belly. Take a deep inhale, breathing in through the nose. Open mouth, exhale. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope that you really enjoyed class. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below, including classes that I teach outside of YouTube. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.